Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Babae gagamba. Mag-wish muna ako. Alam mo na yung wish ko. Ang cute naman ng
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. God bless. Stay jolly and always happy and be a good girl always. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Kisha, happy birthday. May God bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Hi Chris, happy birthday to you. God bless you.
Hey man, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Miss Ken, my beautiful madam. Enjoy your day. Thank you so much for the giving the party.
Hi Krisha, happy birthday. God bless always.
Hi Krisha, good morning. Very, very happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Krisha. Happy birthday to you. Cheers. Hi Krisha, good morning. I'm excited. It's your birthday. Wish you a very, very happy birthday. Wish you joy, success, peace, and love in your life today and throughout. You have to enjoy your birthday. Wish you once again, wish you a very happy birthday and have a very great day. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate, Krisha. Cheers. Cheers.
Hello, hello kabayan. Happy birthday, Krisha. Inshallah, in the future we will see you, the CEO of Shisham Services, CRP. Shuhaida, happy birthday to you. Good luck to your future, inshallah.
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, happy birthday to Kerisha ma'am. Kerisha, many happy return of the day and happy birthday to you. God bless you always.
Kerisha, happy birthday to you.
Hi Krisha, happy birthday.
Hi Krija, how are you? Happy birthday to you. May you live long, 1,000 years. Thank you.
Hi, Krisha. Wish you happy birthday.
Hi Chris, happy birthday to you. God bless you. Happy birthday. All the best.
Hi, Krisha. Happy birthday. Hi, my lovely girl. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Krisha, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good luck in your future and get salary soon. Show it. They are making me laugh. Hi Krisha, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good luck in your future.
Krisha, happy birthday.
Hi Krisha, happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday mo, saka sa pagkain. Salamat.
Hi Kay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday Krisha. Wishing you a year of joy, laughter, new adventures, and excitement. Happy birthday!
Hi, babaeng kagamba. Charot. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best and ayun, good luck sa future endeavors mo, sa bagong landas mong hahatakin, sa ayun, hopefully magkita kayo ng mama mo pag nandun ka na sa Europe. You know, siya mapupunta kayo na yung mga basta yun. Wish ko sa'yo na happy life, enjoy mo lang yan, and yun, good luck, and of course, more birthdays to come. Yan. Mwah! I miss kita. Bye.